Hi, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a new Dollar Tree sticker series video. So the series are about me using Dollar Tree stickers to make really beautiful handmade cards. So let's get started. So let me show you what I used on the next couple of cards. First up, I used the CC Designs really cute stamp set. It's called Birthday Wishes Sentiments. I've had this for a few years now, and I really like the little playful font, especially for kid cards. I also used the Gina Marie Designs die set. I used this one. It's called Rick Rat Nested Circles, and it also comes in the square, but I used the circles today. Let's see. Next up, I believe this is a cat scrappiness die set. It's called Double Stitched Circle. Really awesome. And then for the Dollar Tree stickers, so these are the star of the show. So I use these super cute circus design stickers. And I also use this super cute animal stickers. Now look at the eyes on these. Aren't they adorable? So cute. And so are the little circus ones. So let me show you the cards I made. So first up, for the little animal one, I've made this card before, is this cute little simple card, and it's the cockatoo, maybe? And then I just put some little gems on that. I just think it's so colorful and cute, and you send it to, you know, a young person or anyone, and I think they would smile when they see this card. Next up is this cute little, I think it's maybe a rhinoceros, I don't know, rhino, and I just put them on this circle and with the black layer, and I just thought it kind of popped and looked really cute. I may put some gems on it, but most likely not. I don't like to use a lot of gems with kid cards. And then last but not least is this cute, adorable elephant. And he's sitting on this little podium. And then I put this little ribbon on here. This is a not Martha Stewart, good Lord. Anna Griffin little bow. And then this is the stamp set using the Hooray, It's Your Birthday. Super cute. So those are the cards that I made this time around. What do you think? Let me know below. Let me know which is your favorite. I always like to ask that. I think the little rhinoceros or whatever he is here, I think this is my favorite one. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.